Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you upload a video CV in the BestJobs application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it and here you can just press on the first option under the profile section, which is edit profile. And here you can find the add video CV option. You can just press on it and you can basically upload a video from your gallery, or you can just press on record and you will be recording a video right now with your phone and upload that one here. Now you can just press on upload if you want to, and you can find here a video. You can just press on it and after that you can upload it. Basically in this case I cannot really upload it because the maximum length for the video is 1 minute, so I have to upload basically a shorter one, but essentially this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.